The 2017 BMW X5 see minor changes for this model year. BMW's midsize crossover SUV competes against vehicles such as the Acura MDX, Lexus RX and Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class. 3 engines are available on the X5, a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged 6-cylinder that makes 300 horsepower, a twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 that makes 445 horsepower and a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged diesel 6-cylinder that makes 255 horsepower. All made to an 8-speed automatic transmission. The X5 is available with rear-wheel or all-wheel drive. Fuel economy ranges from 18 miles per gallon city/25 miles per gallon highway for the base model to 15-21 for the xDrive 50i. The hybrid is rated at 24 miles per gallon combined. The X5 is also offered as with a hybrid powertrain. Called the xDrive 40e, it comes with a 2.0-liter twin-turbocharged 4-cylinder paired with an electric motor. There is also an M Performance version with a 567 horsepower twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8. Fuel economy for that is rated at 1419. This is currently the world's fastest SUV. The Tesla Model X will outdo it in a few months, 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.3 seconds, but for now, it can take your family on a great relaxing holiday or scare the hell out of a supercar from a standstill. Available features include an adaptive suspension, Bluetooth, satellite radio, USB, panoramic moonroof, heated front seats, cooled front seats, heated rear seats, heated steering wheel, 360-degree camera, head-up display, Wi-Fi hotspot and wireless charging. The X5 seats 5, but an optional third row can push seating capacity to 7. Available safety features include stability control, traction control, blind spot monitoring and dual front and front side impact airbags. The 2017 BMW starts at $56,495, including a $995 destination fee. The X5 is assembled in Greer, South Carolina.